Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix FiveM servers not loading in 2023. So the first thing you'll need to do is to locate the app onto your desktop browser. You'll just need to right click onto it and open the file location. So once you're in the file location, just click onto this. And then right after, you'll need to find crashes. So you'll need to click onto that. And usually there are files in here. You'll need to delete all of them. And the next thing that you'll need to do is to head back onto application data and then locate data. So the same thing, you'll just need to click onto it and then click on cache. So once you're in the cache, you'll see some files in here. So the same steps, you'll just need to delete all of them. And then right after, you need to head back to data and then click onto this one. And then also if there are files in here, you'll need to delete them. Then right after, you'll need to click onto logs and then also delete the files that are in here. So just repeat the process onto what you did earlier. So once you're done, you'll just need to restart your computer for this. And there you have it. That is how to fix FiveM server not loading. Hopefully one of these steps has resolved your problem. Thank you very much for watching and remember to hit that like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and see you in the next video.